Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into University of Bamenda account, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your University of Bamenda student account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in uniba.cm, and after that hit on enter, and let's wait for the page to load. And over here guys, now in order to proceed to log into your student account on University of Bamenda, you can see the UBA student account option available for us. Just beside the admin login, tap on the UBA student and you'll be redirected over here. Now let's close this, and you'll be required to enter either your matriculation number or your username with which you have signed up for a university account, and after that enter your password over here guys, whichever may it be. And after entering your username or your matriculation number, and after that entering your number, you'll be required to click on a login button available over here guys. But if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here or reset it where it says the forgot password. If you click on it, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your username and password, simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your University of Bamenda account online on your computer. And guys, this is how to log into your University of Bamenda. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.